You don't need a new year to change your life. Not next month, not next Monday. You need one brutal day of honesty. One day where you stop escaping your life and finally face it. Because the truth is, most people aren't stuck because life is hard. They're stuck because distraction is easy. Endless scrolling, endless comfort, endless excuses. Your life isn't falling apart because you're weak. It's falling apart because you've never forced yourself to stop running. So today we reset everything. Not slowly, not gently, completely. Step 1, the isolation rule. Pick one day and cut yourself off from noise. No social media, no YouTube, no messages, no background entertainment. Just silence. Because clarity never comes from chaos. It comes from space. And most people are terrified of silence because silence forces you to hear the truth inside your own mind, the truth about what you've been avoiding. Step 2, the brutal question. Stand in front of a mirror, look directly into your own eyes for 5 minutes, no music, no talking, no distractions. And ask yourself one question. What am I running from? Don't answer quickly. Let the silence expose the truth. Maybe it's fear. Maybe it's laziness. Maybe it's the fact that you know exactly what to do, but you keep delaying it. That moment of honesty is where your real life begins. Step 3, the purge. Take a notebook and write down everything that's holding you back. Bad habits, toxic environments, comfort routines that are quietly destroying your potential. Write it all down. Then draw a line through it. Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Because change doesn't happen when you understand the problem. It happens when you decide you're done tolerating it. Step 4, the power block. Set a 90-minute timer. This is the moment you prove something to yourself. No phone, no breaks. Just one difficult task you've been avoiding. Work on it until the timer ends. Your brain will try to escape. Ignore it. Because discipline isn't built by thinking about change. It's built by acting while your mind begs you to stop. Step 5, the identity shift. At the end of the day, sit quietly and ask yourself one final question. Did I act like the person I want to become today? If the answer is yes, even a little, then something powerful just happened. Because you stopped waiting for motivation and started becoming someone stronger. Your life doesn't change when you feel ready. It changes the moment you stop negotiating with the life you know you should be living. And that moment can start today